Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day, whatever day it may be to you. Yes, it's another vlog during the same working week. It's crazy. I'm doing quite some of these quite often now, aren't I? It's not a daily vlog type thing, because I don't think I can manage doing a daily vlog every day. Because I don't really have much interesting things to say. So not really much point me bringing up a camera saying, oh, I don't have much to talk about today, blah blah blah. I'd rather have the camera out and I tell you something that's what's happened and what something's interesting. And yes, something interesting has happened today. I was walking home from the store with a load of heavy shopping, a bag full, shoulder bag full on this side and a big shopping bag on my hand. So yes, I was walking down, about to play some music on my phone, and then all of a sudden, some moron drove really fast past me and blew his horn to the extreme. It's absolutely... why? I mean, what is the point when people do that? Are they trying to get a reaction from the people that they're trying to scare? I mean, are those people idiots? Some people could have heart conditions. They could have killed people. Have they lost some brain cells or something? Seriously. I mean, I'm perfectly fine myself. I just... well... my stomach... well... how can I describe the feelings? Well, it felt like 1,000 butterflies exploded. You know when you have that butterfly feeling and it's just all tingly and everything? It just felt like that, but more extreme. I didn't really jump. I kind of flinched. And my eyes wided open like this. You can see my vein in my eye. Oh, that's weird. I was like, you front end of a woman. Try not to swear. I would use the proper term, but I don't want to swear. I want these videos to be general for most age groups, so I don't swear and bother anybody. But yeah, what a complete front end of a woman. Dear, seriously. What goes through people's minds when they do that? I have no idea. They're complete, utter idiots. Oh, God. Yeah, I'm fine. Just, I find them idiots. Basically. What else do I need to say? See my posters. My awesome posters. That's Minecraft, if you can't tell. Minecraft. And one of the greatest films ever, can you see? Back to the Future. I love that series. Probably making the musical next year. I can't wait for that. I'm definitely gonna watch that. It's gonna be cool. You know that clock that I showed you? When this goes out, it'll be Friday, so... today is Wednesday, so... yesterday, the vlog that I uploaded. That clock, I want to show you where I want to put it. Let me flip it around. Whoop, whoop. So yeah, see all those posters? Where I want the clock is between keep calm, I'm the doctor. So, at some point I need to figure out where I want to put that poster. Because I don't really have much room on my walls. I've got some notes over that side, more notes over that side, and posters on that side. I mean, I can't really put it on the ceiling because it will fall. So that's the only poster that's been up for a whole year and has not fallen down. That one the other end, that was insane. So yes, let me flip it. Oops, I slapped the screen. So yes, you saw my notes. So yeah, that's about it. What I have to say. Hope you're enjoying the Tekken gameplay that I posted recently. I'm thinking about doing a Tekken Thursday segment. I'm not sure. It's an idea out in the open, but I don't know what else I could include or talk about, because well, I just play the game and enjoy the characters. I don't often look out for new games because I'm still on PlayStation 2. So yeah, I think that's it. Yes, I think I'll go and love you and leave you, and hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.